Hello everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Pune Store Miracle Sponge. This is the packet and here's the sponge. It looks exactly like the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I don't have a Real Techniques sponge, so I cannot be, I'm not going to be comparing these two, but I can tell you about this sponge, how it applies the foundation, and how you can use it, and I'll show you in the demo how it applies or how I use this sponge. So let's just jump into the demo.
So that's what the foundation sponge looks like, and it's a very soft squishy kind of sponge. You have to dip it in water and then squeeze it to use it, and that's what the outer packaging looks like. They have exactly copied the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge packet. And what I do is I dot the foundation all over my face first, because the sponge is very porous. This is my trick to use less product, and then I bounce the sponge all over my face, and it has got this broad surface, which is very useful for applying the foundation on your face. And the edges are very useful the edges are very useful for blending the foundation on the curves of the face. And I use it for applying my under eye, like for applying my concealer as well. So the edge of the sponge helps in getting into that contour of your eyes, and it really blends the foundation seamlessly, as you can see. And the edges are really awesome to get in there and just pack the product in. So I'm just bouncing it, and can you see the flawless finish it gives? So that's what the finished look looks like. It just gives a flawless finish. And yeah, that's how the face looks. And I use the sponge for applying the powder also. So I'm just using the flat surface of the sponge for applying my powder. So can you see the finish it gives? It just gives the right finish, and it's making the foundation even more seamless. Bunny is just disturbing me so just ignore him. And yeah, it just gives the right coverage or a right finish to your foundation. And I know it is damp, but I think damp sponge gives the right coverage or the right finish. So here's the finished look using this sponge. Yeah, can you see? Very, very seamless. No edges, no patches, no spots.
That's how the sponge applies the foundation, and it applies the foundation seamlessly. I just love the fact that it does not leave any patch or streak as some of the foundation brush does or some of the foundation sponge does, but it does not do that. That is a great thing about this. And I have seen a couple of reviews of this, I don't know, of this Pune Store or some other sponges. They complain that due to its porosity, it sucks up or it soaks up too much of product. So the trick here is, as I said in the demo, the trick here is you just dot it all over dot the foundation all over your face and just bounce it lightly. You don't have to just press it on the skin, you just have to bounce it lightly. In that way, it does not, or it will not soak up too much of product. It will still soak the product, but not to a great extent. So that's my trick with this sponge. And it is affordable, and you can definitely spend this much of money. I did not tell you the price of it. The price of this one is, it's written $4.99, but you will always get discount in Amazon. I will link the product in the description. Just go and check it out if you are interested, and I should say you have to try it. It's just amazing. It will change the way you apply your foundation forever. You will thank me later. Just try this once. And that was my review of the Puna. If I have forgotten anything, oh, the real price for this one is 220. I got this for 195. That was there was this sale going on, so I got this for 195, and now I think it's about 200 or something. It's not more than 200 or not more than 250 rupees, I can guarantee you that. And do try this one. I'm sure you will love it. And that was my review of the Puna Store Miracle Sponge. It is definitely a miracle sponge. I really love this sponge. Except for the fact I'm a lazy person. I just don't want to go and dip it in the water and then squeeze it and just apply it. It's just too much of work for me. But still, if I'm going for if I'm going for a special occasion, or if I'm going for a party or anything, I just trust this sponge, because it just gives a seamless or flawless finish to the foundation. So do try it, and do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.